Hello! Today, we're going on a fantastic journey deep into the ocean to discover the incredible world of sea animals. Are you ready to dive in and learn some exciting English words? Let's jump right in. Let's start with fish. Fish are some of the most common sea animals. They have fins and swim in the water. Can you say fish?
Fish.
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 Next up is turtle. Turtles are fascinating creatures that live both in the sea and on land. They have hard shells that protect them. Can you say turtle?
Turtle.
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 Next, meet the dolphin. Dolphins are known for their intelligence and love to swim and play in the sea. They're such graceful animals. Can you say dolphin?
Dolphin.
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 Now, let's meet the shark. Sharks are incredible predators of the sea. They have sharp teeth and can swim very fast. Can you say shark?
Shark.
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 Next is the jellyfish. Jellyfish are soft and delicate sea animals. They can have long tentacles that they use to catch food. Can you say jellyfish?
Jellyfish.
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 Now, let's say hello to the octopus. Octopuses are very smart and have 8 arms. They can change colors to hide from predators. Can you say octopus?
Octopus.
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 Next, the starfish is another enchanting sea animal. They have 5 arms and come in many beautiful colors. They're often found in tide pools. Can you say starfish?
Starfish.
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 Next up is the whale. Whales are some of the largest animals in the world. They're known for their majestic size and singing in the deep ocean. Can you say whale?
Whale.
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 Finally, we have the seahorse. Seahorses are unique because they swim upright and look like tiny horses of the sea. They're so cute. Can you say seahorse?
Seahorse.
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 Fantastic job! Let's do a quick recap. Can you repeat after me and tell me what each sea animal is? Fish.
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 Turtle.
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 Dolphin.
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 Shark.
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 Jellyfish.
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 Octopus.
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 Starfish.
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 Whale.
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 Seahorse.
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 Well done! You've just learned about some of the incredible sea animals that call the ocean their home. Isn't our world full of amazing creatures? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye!